keep my hands on myself.
Hey guys, Deja here, and today I'm showing you how to turn your basic boring tops into fun, trendy shirts, and guess what? All of them take less than 5 minutes to make. So let me show you how to do it. First, we are starting off with this hook tank top. I got the idea from this top I seen Kiki Palmer wear. All you need is a tank top and a pack of hook and eyes. Start with folding and cutting your tank in half. Cut only the front part, and then you're gonna turn it inside out and pin the sides. And sew with the straight stitch. Once done, measure out the placement of where you're going to put the hooks. So I measure mine to be about 2 inches apart. Separate your hooks so you don't sew the wrong end to the wrong side. And then hand stitch each one on. It only needs about a few stitches to be secure. Then it's all done. You can add as many as you want to, but I felt like I only needed 4. I really like this top. It's the perfect amount of thottiness that I like, and I'm definitely going to make a black one to wear when I go out, like, you know, like date night or like to the club or whatever. Next up is this shirt I got inspired by from a shirt I seen on Princess Polly. All you need is a plain t-shirt and some swivel clasps. Fold your t-shirt in half and cut a small rounded strip in the front, as you see me doing here. Measure out how low you want it to be before you start cutting. Then just cut around to make the shirt cropped. You just want the 2 strips to be longer than the rest of the shirt. Then pin and hem the edges with a straight stitch. Then you're gonna fold the edges over the clasps and sew with a straight stitch. And then that's it. It's so simple, but so cute and different. I'm really into this. And then I went on the website and it turns out that you can like hook it to like your jeans or your pants or whatever. I really like that idea. Next on my list is the infamous O-ring tops that you have probably seen everywhere from Instagram, Pinterest, wherever you shop online. I'm even showing you how to make it from scratch on my 2-piece video, but this top is super easy to make. All you need is a tank top and a ring. Cut your tank in half and only cut the front and not the whole thing like me. I had to fix that. Take your ring and fold the edges around it. I did try it on before I added in all the pins just to make sure it was where I wanted it to be. Sew around with a straight stitch. And then you're gonna hem the rest of the shirt, and that's literally it. I've seen this top going for like crazy prices, and I got this tank top from Target for like $4, and then I had this ring. Like, this is super easy and you can do it to all of your shirts. So yeah, you can thank me for saving you some coin. Next up is this feather strap top. All you need is a tank top or tube top, clear elastic, and feathers. Cut the elastic to be about 1 inch, and then you're gonna cut 4 pieces of that. Measure out the placement and then pin to each side of the shirt. You're gonna sew the elastic to the top with a straight stitch, and then you're gonna hand sew the feathers to the clear elastic. And then you're done. I love this top. It's such a bougie brunch look, and you can wear it off the shoulder for an IG photo op, and it's just so perfect. The last top I have to show you is this Class and Grommet Bodysuit that I've seen on a few different websites. For this, all you need is a tank top or bodysuit, grommets, and clasps. Figure out where you want the clasp to lay and then cut both sides. Fold over the straps over the clasps and then sew with a straight stitch. And then you're gonna hem the other side. Cut a small hole and then push the grommet through. I have a grommet puncher, so I just punched it shut and that was it. Put your clasps through and you're good to go. It's super simple, but brings some edge to your look, like, right? The only thing is my bodysuit is super thin, so it's like pulling. So I'm gonna need to buy a new bodysuit and remake this, but it is definitely worth remaking. Like, I need this in my wardrobe. Well, that's all I have. I hope you enjoyed my 5 upcycles, hacks, DIYs, whatever you want to call it. I showed you, and hopefully I inspired you to make them, recreate them yourself as well. And let me know which one is your favorite, and I'll see you in my next video.